Hello, welcome back to Big Bear Automations. We're on day 4 of our Learn n8n in a Year series. If you haven't seen day 1, day 2, day 3, then please go and have a look at the playlist and go back. I'll put the link somewhere in the screen somewhere to day 1. But at this present moment in time, we should have set up our n8n on self-hosted on render.com. And you would know the ins and outs of how to move around on n8n. So today I had planned to do a high level automation for Gmail, just to show you how it works. However, we've come into an error, which I had last time I did self-hosting. So I thought it'd be a good idea to show you what that error is. So I've hit my URL from render.com and I get this "you're not secure" problem. Now, I had this last time, and the way that you solve it is you put it on a custom domain and it gives it the HTTPS that it needs. So the best thing to do is, first of all, go over to one of the providers that you can buy a domain from. I use Namecheap. I'm just set up on there, so it just makes it easier to buy one. But yeah, you can use GoDaddy or any of the other providers. I'm not affiliated to anyone, so do which one you wish. Just get a cheap domain name for now for testing. I've got the .com version, so if you get the .com version, it should be okay. And then we're going to go through what we need to do. So come down onto your settings for your n8n deployment. Scroll all the way down to custom domains. Here you'll have a link that says, let's just delete it, what I've put in there, so you can see. You'll have to add a custom domain, and we'll say, okay, cool, let's add a custom domain. So before we do that, we're going to look at the documentation. In here, it's going to tell you what you need to add to your domain and your DNS to allow for it to connect to render. So if you go to Namecheap, which is the one that I'm on, obviously there's other options, so go and have a look to see which one's yours on, but it'll be the same concept across the board. And what we're going to do is add in our information that we need to our advanced DNS section here. So here you need your log into Namecheap, click manage advanced DNS, remove any existing, and we're going to add a new one. So a record for @ and click add a new record, a record for @ and point to a render balancer, which is this IP here. So we're going to copy that. We're going to do an a record, the @ as the host, and then the value of the balancer, and then we're going to add the CNAME of our URL that render have given us. So again, come back in here, CNAME, www, and then whatever the original link was. So this one, that one will be put into there, and then make sure you click save. And that's all you need to do in Namecheap. When you come back here, you then go to your custom domain, you put in your URL, which is that, click save, and then it will verify that you've done the bits that you need to do. And then it will start giving us a certificate, which is what you'll get your HTTPS stuff from. Now, I can't show us logging in because it takes a bit of time. As you can see, if I try and hit it now, it takes a bit of time to load. It still says it's not secure. So it does take a bit of time. So if you're getting that error, just wait a little bit, try and remove your cache if you can, try a different browser, try incognito. Eventually it should work. I have spoke to Render today, and they said that they do the SSL stuff all for you. So just go through it, wait, and it should work. If it doesn't work, then reach out to them. But I've done the same today, and they've said that it's perfectly fine. So I did have planned to go through a workflow today, but instead we're going to fix this error. If you do have this error, then good, you've got the solution. If you don't, then just wait for day 5. Thank you. If you please can subscribe, means a lot, and it fuels me to carry on doing series like this. So thank you very much, and see you for day 5 soon.